Hi, today I'm in front of me Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to advanced settings, scroll more down and tap to screen recorder. Here you will see the record audio section, so now we have selected the known option, so this means that we'll record the mute videos. We could switch it to the internal audio or to microphone to comment something. So also we got one more way how we could launch the screen recorder settings. First open the control panel and find screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings, so you could change your sound settings on the another ones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.